Yeah, so this program, we are starting it with the how to declare a variable. So this statement which I have done it, that is nothing but I have commented it. So as in your chapter, that is the starting topic of this chapter is related to the comments. Comment section is there. So comment means that there are the single comments are this being used. Comments are there. So there are the three categories. One is the single, then the another is multiple, which is known as a multi-line also we call it as. And last one is the paragraph also, that is which we call it as a documentation comment. You can write down the notes with me, okay? Documentation, because I'll be erasing this thing. So documentation comments. So over here, girls, this comments is, it's like single line comment is this one, which I have specified it at the top of the screen over here. That is how to declare a variable. So this thing is user is able to just reference it. That is, user is going to just see it, what data is going to come further over here. Getting it? The compiler is not going to execute this data, which I have the shaded one. So if when the user is getting confused that which this is the which syntax or which line I'm going to through it, or what is the meaning of this. So for the user reference, I'll be making use of the symbol which is known as the two forward slashes. That is nothing but for a comment. Okay. So for the single line, this is the forward slashes used. Now for the multiple lines, so I'll be making use of a forward slash and the asterisk operator is there, space, then I can write it any random data, and then here I'll be once again using the asterisk operator and come. See, the color has got changed. That means, so if the multiple lines are there, so multiple line, it's not possible, na dear, ki every time I'll be making use of this forward slashes. Say like this. I can do it this one also, no? For the multiple line. But that doesn't make a sense. Why? Because if there is a 500 lines, so will you be able to write this 500 times that symbol? That is the comment symbol, forward slashes? Obviously no, right? You're getting no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So for that purpose, this forward slash and asterisk will be there. And then for whenever I'll be closing it, at that time I'll be making use of the asterisk and the forward slash will be there. Okay. Now, third one is there, which we call it as the documentation one. So what about the documentation one? So documentation is nothing but the, if I want to comment the paragraph. Getting it? So over here, I'll just remove all these things fastly. And I want to comment it now, the whole paragraph. So for that purpose, what I'll be doing it, any guesses? Yes,
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
that I have said it that if I want to comment it for the whole paragraph, then what I'll be doing it for the single line, this forward slash is there. So see, the line has got commented. So that means the compiler is not going to compile that statement. It is only for the user reference. Getting it? Compiler मेरा वो statement execute नहीं करेगा. Getting the point? This statement. So this is a single line comment which I have shown you. That is a forward slash. If I want to comment it for the multiple lines, I'll be making use of a forward slash and asterisk will be there. So see, the multiple lines is getting covered. So for closing the tag, I'll be making use of this asterisk and the forward slash once again. So that is nothing but the ending one. See, same like I'm making use of a semicolon, no, at the end of the statement. So same वैसे ही यहाँ पर multiple lines के लिए I am making use of the symbol forward slash and asterisk. But now what about the documentation? Documentation के लिए क्या करना है? Yes? Any guesses?
Ma'am, can you go slow and repeat it?
Okay. See what I have said it that. Did you understand about the comment part? Single line and multiple line, both of them.
Ma'am, I could not hear you for that comment part. My
I understood.
Okay, you understood. Who didn't understood, Mrunmay?
No, ma'am, I could not hear you for the comment part. There was some issues at my side of internet.
Okay. The voice is getting, no?
Ma'am, it was problem at my side, not yours.
Okay. Yeah. So see, basically what I was telling you that I'm explaining you about the comments part. Okay. So over here, the comment means if I want to comment the statement, you're getting the voice.
Yes, ma'am, I'm able to hear you.
Okay. So what is happening is that if I want to comment the single statement, so ये comment क्यों करना है? तो I want to comment the statement for only the user reference, not for the computer side. So अगर मुझे कुछ content है that I just want to specify that so and so statement is going to be there. So how the comments is going to be used in the BlueJ? So comments, there are the three categories are there. एक होता है single comment, another is a multi-line comment, and the third is a documentation comment. Cool. So over here, single line comment करना है. So what I'll be doing it, I'll be making use of a forward slash. So सिर्फ दो forward slash use करो, straight away my, now I have just commented all the things, no? That's why it is not visible. So over here, if I want to comment the single line, so I'll be making use of a two forward slashes. Okay, if I want to comment the multiple lines, I'll be making use of a forward slash and asterisk will be there. And asterisk closing angular bracket, well, sorry, forward bracket, forward slash. And if I want to do the documentary one, so for that purpose, I'll be making use of the symbol. That's what I have asked you the question कि क्या होगा. So उसके लिए होता है forward slash asterisk and asterisk. ये two times I'll be using it. And wherever I want to end that, for ending it, once again asterisk and forward slash will be used. So that it means this now whole the screen which you are seeing it the content wise, right? So this all the things is nothing but the commented one, which the compiler is not be gonna executing it, compiling it. Okay, no doubt first compilation होता है फिर बाद में execution होता है. So compilation नहीं होगा. Clear? So now
Yes,
I'll be showing you the program which is related to the how to declare the variables in the BlueJ. So over here I'll be just vanishing all this thing. So what I'm doing it, I'm declaring just a variable and then I'll remove this brackets because I want a single line. So I'll be making use of a forward slash. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll be starting with the proper program. So what I need to do it, I'll be creating class. So that is the class keyword is there, which is stored in the BlueJ library. That is in the Java library. I'll be making use of a class name as a calculate where I have declared it outside as a calculate one only. The body is started and same once again p.s.v.m. This will be the standard format. So that p.s.v.m is nothing but the public static void main. So girls, as you are aware, as I have explained you in this yesterday's session also, what do you mean by public, static, void and main? If you don't understand about each and every keyword, you can ask me once again. I'll be explaining you. Is there any doubt with this? What do you mean by public? What do you mean by static, void and all? Yes?
yes.
Do you need any explanation? Yes or no? Batao.
No, we understood yesterday.
Okay, all right. What about other? दोनों भी बोलो. आपको नहीं
Understood.
समझ बेटा तो बताओ.
We
ऐसा
understood.
नहीं कि एक को समझ में आया तो दूसरा को भी समझ में आना ही चाहिए. नहीं समझ में आया, you can ask me. Don't hesitate. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, here what do you mean by this? So this means I have created the main function. अभी मैंने main function start किया हुआ है. So main function body started and the body is getting closed. Okay. हमेशा जब भी बॉडी स्टार्ट करते हैं तभी बॉडी क्लोज करना है. जस्ट कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. This is the developer things which we are following it. Why? Because see, as in the ninth standard, you are just following the hardly 5 lines, 10 lines, 20 lines. The programs is there. But when you will be doing the further studies in the computer science, you will be dealing it with the 10,000 lines of code. So at that moment, it becomes a very tricky and a difficult way to manage all these brace brackets. Okay, so whenever the body is being started, at that time only make sure that you are closing the brackets also over here. All right. So now in the main function, what I need to do it, I'll be creating the variable. As a program, I want to do it to declare the variable with the help of the data type. So here I have taken the variable as three variables. I'll take it. So that is A, B, and C with the semicolon. That means the statement is being completed. Now what I'll be doing it, I'll be initializing the values. That is A is equal to 10. Tell me the value for the B. फटाफट बताओ. As well as for the C. Sorry, C के
5.
लिए. Okay, ठीक है. 5 लेते हैं. Now, what I want to do it in this program is that to declare a variable, ये तो सिर्फ मैंने just heading I have given it. But what I'll be doing it after declaration of a variable. So after the declaration of a variable, we want to perform the operations, right? So different arithmetic operations I'll be performing it over here. So how to declare a variables to perform arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations means what, girls? Yes? Say. What do you mean by arithmetic operation? नहीं आता है क्या? What happened? Why you're not talking? Shaira?
Ma'am, they are operators, right? From
Yeah, so these are the operators, but which operators? Arithmetic operations means which? Which operators?
plus, minus, slash.
Yeah, exactly. So the plus, minus, multiplication, and the division is there. So A into B will be there. And same way, I'll be performing for the addition also. If you want, I'll take it the first addition and then I'll be taking it the multiplication also. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you the two operations first. So now A plus B, right? C is equal to A plus B. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, guys? Can you tell me? Elaborate the statement. This one.
C is equal to A plus B मतलब कैसे elaborate करना है?
What do you mean by this thing? C is equal to A plus B मतलब क्या?
Means C is the answer derived from addition of A plus B.
Okay. Now what about this A is equal to 10? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
The value of A is 10.
Yeah, your partial answer is correct. The value of A, that is the value 10, is getting assigned into the A. Just make use of the technical terms as you computers you're studying it. So assigned means why? So assigned, I'll just write down the term over here. So assigned 10 is getting assigned. See, यही same statement maths में भी use करते हो ना तुम लोग. So A is equal to 10. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ maths में कि A का value 10 है. बट कंप्यूटर में इसका मतलब यही होता है क्या ए का वैल्यू 10 है? इज इट सो? यस और नो?
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
आई सेड दैट ए का वैल्यू 10 है. ये मैथ्स में बोलते हैं ना इसको, ए इज इक्वल टू 10. यस और नो?
10
मैथ्स में व्हाट वी से, ए का वैल्यू 10 है, बी का वैल्यू 5 है. दिस थिंग वी से इट नो इन द मैथ्स मैथमेटिक्स. बट डज इट द सेम वे वी आर सेइंग इट इन द कंप्यूटर्स आल्सो?
10th digit unit digit.
See, what we said over here in the technical terms, that 10 is getting assigned into the A. So that means always keep it in mind that in the computers, from the right to the left, we are moving it and not from the left to the right. So always keep it in mind the flow of the variable initialization is there. That will be always from right to left and not from the left to right. Is it clear with this term? Just fit this thing in your mind. Huh?
Yes.
For the lifetime, just fit it. Maths में हम लोग a का value 10 है बोलते हैं, but CS में no, 10 is getting assigned into the A. So why have making use of a assign? What do you mean by this symbol, girls? जो shaded है.
क्या?
Ma'am, can you repeat? I can't hear you.
क्यों आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही बेटा? आप शायरा, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही है मैम, but what did you just ask?
I asked कि what do you mean by this operator? ये जो equal to इसको क्या कहते हैं? Oh, equal to ही कहते हैं क्या? A is equal to 10. Is it so?
I don't know मैम.
Okay, what about others? See, नहीं आता है तो नहीं आता है, बोलो यार. Don't get hesitate and don't be quiet. How I'll be able to understand? Then only I'll be share the knowledge with you, no? Then only I'll be going to give you some extra knowledge. अगर and or else what I'll be thinking, नहीं इन लोग को आता है. So I can move further, no? If you don't know, then say don't know. Yes, मृण्मयी, इसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? A is equal to 10 is equal to कहते हैं क्या इसको हम लोग CS में भी?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking a lot.
बेटा शायद से आपका नेट का इशू होगा because now it's perfect everything. Even Shaira is getting my voice, no?
Yes ma'am, I'm able to hear you.
बेटा नेट का इशू होगा आपका. वाईफाई नहीं है क्या घर पे? हेलो.
Ma'am, है Wi-Fi.
देन फिर भी इशू आ रहा है क्या? आवाज अभी आ रही है क्या मेरी?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है.
ओके, मे बी
It's very
नेट
low.
इशू होगा आपके घर पे. Because now my internet connection and all everything is with the flawlessly it's moving. Yeah. Oh, okay. So girls, let me tell you one thing that A is equal to 10 is nothing but a assignment operator. So A assignment operator 10 होता है. तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ये ऑपरेटर का नाम है assignment. Getting it? That's why we say it that 10 is getting assigned to the A. Clear, Shaira and Murmai? Now is it clear with this?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So इसको equal to नहीं कहते, equal to जो है उसको maths में कहा जाता है. Got it? So computers में what we say, it is known as the assignment operator. So same way 5 is getting assigned into the B. So now C का A is equal to B and C is equal to A into B. So result किस में मिलने वाला है मुझे? C में मिलने वाला है. Yes or no? So for getting the result, what I need to do it? I'll be writing the system dot out dot println. println नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा?
Println does the thing so that it will move on the next line.
Yeah, so if I'm not
Yes,
making use of the ln also, still it works. Okay,
it
if I want,
it works. Yes.
yeah, so if I want the output in the
It
connecting,
works, but
बोलो बोलो.
then the thing will come on the same line and it will be
Exactly,
all.
very good, excellent answer. So over here, how in which format I want the output is, that is the sum is equal to. So that thing I'll be writing it in the string format. Okay, so जो भी हम लोग double quotes के अंदर लिखते हैं ना, just make sure that it is known as a string. All right. So now result किसके अंदर store है? In which variable? C के अंदर. So to print the value, I'll be concatenating
Plus
it with the C. So for concatenation, I'll be making use of a plus symbol, and then I'll be writing it C. The statement is getting closed. So now in this way, I'll be getting it only for the sum. Now I also want it for the multiplication also. Yes or no? So for the multiplication, I'll be using once again system.ln print. So over here, just I have made it the lowercase s. Now just change the string. See, if I write it the same thing, so sum is equal to, will I get the output?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat what you said?
If
Not
I'm writing
sure.
it sum is equal to only, so will I get the output?
No, maybe. Don't know.
मिलेगा ना, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? Because this is nothing but a string. So it's user responsibility to write it the multiplication. Getting it? So now I'll just compile the program. So no syntax error is there. So right click on this and then void main. Execute the, so sum is 50, multiplication is also 50. Why so? Sum 50 आया है. So that is I'm getting the product. I'm not getting the addition. Why so? Can you tell me what is happening it?
Ma'am, just give it some time. Let us think.
Think. I'll make the changes over here. And now then tell me. Tell that I'll do the another possibility. Just observe it, what I'm doing it, okay? Yes, the time is up. Are you aware why the answer is not coming? Or shall I tell? See, I have given the time to think.
I'm not understanding.
Okay, okay. So the thing is, because for every operation, I'll be making use of a system.out.println. Getting it? So whenever the any sort of operation is there, every time I'll be making use of that print statement. So which is nothing but the system.out.print. So now if you compile the program, it's no error, then right click it, go it into the void main. See, you got the answer. Sum is equal to 15 and 50. I'll show you once again. I'll clear the screen and then I'll just write it over here. System.print is equal to multiplication.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
can you explain again why we didn't get the answer?
That's what I've said it. See, system.out.println. This same thing
Ma'am,
I have written it connectingly, no? So it should be this system.out क्या कर रहा है ये print कर रहा है C, but which C? This C is gonna print it. That is for the addition one. और ये जो system.out.println है, ये क्या print करेगा? ये वाला C print करेगा जिसमें मेरा multiplication है. Getting the
ma'am, I
point?
have got no doubt.
Sorry?
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
I have
so
a doubt.
what I have done it ki I have connected both the statements together. So purposely I have done it because most of the time the student makes this mistake. So I don't want that you should be repeating this mistake. That's why I have written that two statements together. That is system.out.println together. It
Oh,
should not be in this concatenating lines, like so not to be in the connecting lines should be there. Getting it? So whenever any sort of a operation is there, for the every operation I'll be making use of the system.out.println. Clear? So now once again I'll be showing you compiled, and now just see the output. Yeah, so see, I got the sum as a 15 and the multiplication is 50. So this is the correct output which I got it. Clear? So
ma'am, I have a doubt.
yeah beta पूछो.
Ma'am, how can I show? Ma'am, I'll start my camera on user seekers. I don't know what's wrong. I'll find out what.
Okay.
I'll change the camera. Ma'am,
I'm not
I've
able.
done this and
हाँ, one sec. थोड़ा zoom करो बेटा.
I'm not able to see my own screen.
Ma'am, can I tell her what mistake she did now?
Yeah.
Ma'am, but I'm getting the answer, but like
Hmm.
it's not coming wrong. And you just said like we have to put this statement after this.
Just show me the output. What do you got it? Five and seven. What numbers you have taken it?
7 and 2. And
7 and 2. So answer तो wrong है ना बेटा. 7 2s are 14 आना चाहिए.
ma'am, formula is.
हाँ, formula mistake. ठीक है, करो, rectify it and then show it once again. Do one thing, उसका screenshot निकालो मोबाइल में and immediately WhatsApp me. Within 30 seconds I'll show you. कि see, one more thing sir, is there, girls, that there are a lot of variations. It's not necessary that this program should be done in only and only in this form. As I have told you in the yesterday session also, that if I haven't making use of this ln print ln, yes, it will do. If I'm not making use of a what we say string args over here, right? String argument लिखना पड़ता है ना यहाँ पर. So अगर वो नहीं भी लिखा, yes, still it will do. So it is having a lot of variations over here. I'll just check it once. Public class sum int m is equal to 7. M minus is equal to n you have taken.
Yes, ma'am, that was the formula given to us.
Okay, so 2 is getting assigned into the m. Okay, yeah, this is nothing but the shorthand assignment operator which we call it as a m is equal to m minus n. इसका formula का मतलब समझ में आया? M minus क्यों लिखा है ये? या सिर्फ rectify किया? ऐसे ही है कुछ तो like that. ऐसा है क्या concept?
हम टेस्ट में दिया था उन्होंने फिर लाइक मैंने से वो
Okay, but आपको पता नहीं उसका मतलब क्या है?
Yeah, don't know.
Okay, so ask me, you know, formula दिया है. I thought that you are aware of this thing. See, beta m minus is equal to n है ना? I'll show you on my screen. Just have a look. So, as you have written it, m minus is equal to n. So, this is nothing but I can also write it in this way. M is equal to m minus n. This is
I can't see your screen. Okay, now I can.
got it. So, this is nothing but which we call it as a shorthand assignment operator. शॉर्टकट कहते हैं इसको हम लोग नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में, और टेक्निकल टर्म में हम लोग इसको कहते हैं शॉर्ट हैंड असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. दैट मीन्स शॉर्ट हैंड असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर मीन्स आई वोंट बी मेकिंग यूज ऑफ दिस m ट्वाइसली. गेटिंग इट? जो मैंने अभी शेडेड किया है ना, सो आई एम नॉट मेकिंग यूज ऑफ दिस m ट्वाइसली. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द ट्वाइस m आई विल बी यूजिंग ओनली वन m, एंड ये जो माइनस वाला ऑपरेटर है इसको हम लोग लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करते हैं. So that is nothing but the same thing. If you write it m is equal to m minus n or m minus is equal to n, it's one and the same thing. So just write down in your notes that here you have used a shorthand assignment which is known as the minus equal to. So ये minus के लिए shorthand assignment operator था. Same like n is equal to m plus m divided by n. It's like the same thing here. Yeah. Okay. Getting it? So now I'll show you once again. Shall I erase this?
Yes.
So yeah, and now I'll be compiling it. I'll first need a So over here, one more thing, Bacha, what you have done it, you have written the पब्लिक क्लास, आपने स्टार्टिंग में ही क्लास को पब्लिक किया हुआ है,
हाँ,
गेटिंग इट, और मैंने पब्लिक नहीं किया हुआ है, क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने अंदर लिखा है पब्लिक। आई एम गेटिंग द आउटपुट, एक ही लाइन में है ये, सम इज इक्वल टू 15, my multiplication is 50q, because I have done only print and not a ln. अगर यहाँ पर ln क्या हुआ?
no, nothing.
Yeah, so अगर ln लिखेंगे, so I'll be getting the result on the different screen. ठीक है? So yeah, one more important thing, girls, that this is the proper standardized format is there. That every time any sort of operation is there, I'll be using the system.out.println. So what we say that this is the proper flow of the program is there. Okay, so even if you are writing this statement at the bottom also, it will be also okay, but then what I have to do it, I'll be making use of the different variable. If you want to see that, I'll show you that one also if you want to check it. So what I'm doing it, I have just performed the formula on both the lines, and then next two lines I'll be just simply printing my output. So sum is equal to C, I have taken it here, and see, as you have making use of a N and M liya hua hai na? So here I'll take a D, and here I'll change this term D. Yeah, and now see, it will be getting compiled, no error.
So when there are two different kinds of variables, that time that works.
Yeah.
And then there is only one kind of variable, then it does not work back to back.
Exactly. Why it is not working? Because my value is there that is getting overloaded, overriding that values together. So at that time, what it is happening is the compiler is getting ambiguous. Getting it ambiguous matlab kya? This term. The compiler is getting ambiguous. That means the compiler is getting confused. That which operator should I call it? Getting it? So that's why I have making use of the different variables. So in this program, what I have showed it that with the help of the different variables with the different initialization level, I can generate the arithmetic operations. Same thing like if I'm making use of a what we say different data type, instead of an int, I'll be using the double. Okay, girls, are you aware what do you mean by the double data type? Both of them? हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलो.
हाँ.
Okay, so double मतलब क्या है? It is going to be supportive for the fractional numbers. Same thing float है, so float is also going to be support for the fractional numbers, but float जो है that will be supporting for the 32 1, and if I'm taking it the double one, it will be supporting for the 64 bits. ठीक है? So float जो है वो मेरा 32 bits के लिए support करता है, and float जो है double जो है that will be supporting for my long range fractional numbers. So जो भी मेरे long range numbers है point this one पे, right? So ये मेरा support किसको करेगा? Double को करेगा, और अगर float है तो ये float को in this way will be supporting it like that. Okay, so these are the examples. So 32 bits, 64 bits. So that means 8 bits is equal to how many bytes, girls? Can you tell me? Quickly.
What did you just say?
8 bits is equal to how many bytes?
1 byte.
Very good. So 16 bits is equal to how many bytes?
2
16.
bytes.
2 bits or bytes?
Bytes.
Okay, so 4 bit is equal to 1 nibble. Keep it in mind. I'll just write it
Okay.
on your on my screen. Just write down in your notes. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. Okay. So that means 16 bits is equal to how many nibbles? Fatafat.
16 bits, 4 bytes.
Four nibbles, 4 bytes nahi beta. 1 nibble, 4 bits.
16 bytes.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood.
So that means 16 bits is equal to how many nibbles?
4 nibbles.
Okay, correct. So that means same way if I'm considering about the 64 bits. So 64 bits मतलब कितना bytes हो गया?
64 bits.
इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी बाइट्स? जैसे एक बाइट मेरा 8 बिट्स का होता है, तो ये 64 बिट्स है. सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. यस मृण्मयी.
16.
64 बेटा.
8 bytes.
Yes, correct. Who said it? Shaira.
Yes.
Yeah, very good beta. So 8 bytes is equal to 64 bits. All right. So that means the double. ये सब भी पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये 10th स्टैंडर्ड में, अभी तो नहीं, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर में ये fill in the blanks में तुम्हारे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में ये सब पूछा जाता है. That is how many bits is equal to how many nibbles and bytes and all. Okay. So I'll just erase this thing. Just write down in your notes this point. ठीक है. So I'll make use of only one term over here. Double A, B, C, D, and over here I'll just make use of a float. B is equal to 5.5. Okay, I'll just remove this one. I'll write it here int. So with the different data types I'm showing you, and now compile the program. Double to float. Why there is an error? Because here I have making use of a D, जो कि D नहीं है ना. So A, B, C, D. C को भी declare करना है. So over here,
Ma'am, double का spelling wrong.
yeah, L. Still there is one error in possible lossy conversion from double to float. Yeah, correct. So this will be X, V, and this will be I guess float and double. These both are supporting for the fractional one, no? So that's why also it will be throwing you the error. So what I'll do it, I'll make sure that one I'll be taking it as a int. So either any one I'll be supposed to use it over here. A, B, C, D. Yes, everything is used here. Why it is showing incompatible types? I'll check it once. ऐसे तो आना नहीं चाहिए. Double A comma B comma C. First I'll be declaring the variables, and then what I'll do it, I'll initialize it. So See, yeah, one more important thing is here that as I'm getting the output, like abhi output jo bhi mil raha hai, so that is nothing but the user defined one, no? So user is already pre-defining it, the values inside this program. Yes or no? So over here, double a comma b comma c, and I'm declaring the a is equal to 2.5 or 3.35. Okay, semicolon. Then I'll be assigning it for the b 56, 65. Okay, and then इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी है कि डबल लिया है तो मतलब डबल ही यूज होना चाहिए. गेटिंग इट?
Okay.
Yeah, but it means what? That double, that means it is will be gonna supportive it. So ये double को मेरा support कर रहा है. Cannot find symbol variable d. Yes, because मैंने d declare नहीं किया है. So see, this sort of errors you may face. Yeah, so see, I got the output in the floating point as well as in the what we say. If I wanted more thing like 152, now this is the 5 digits, no? So suppose if I wanted the output that is 1527567.0312345, like it's around nearby 12 to 13, 14 points or 14 digits are there, right? So if I wanted that way, so that means for that purpose, for the long range number, this double is gonna support it. Getting the point? Clear with the funda? Just take a screenshot of this program.
Yes, ma'am.
This is there in your
Ma'am,
syllabus.
repeat it again.
Once again, I'm repeating the statement that suppose if I'm getting the output, like see, now I'm getting the output as the 2 digits. No doubt, this is also the floating one, but this is floating too, but I'm going towards the double data type. So suppose if I'm getting the output in this format, like I'm getting the output is in the 5678903.4567 random any values. Okay, 356. So this is nothing but I'm be supporting. This is the long range numbers around 12 to 4 digits. Okay, so this number should be supportable. So for to support this numbers, I'll be making use of a double data type. और अगर मेरे अब सपोज अभी ये मेरा आउटपुट आ गया है, ठीक है, ये लॉन्ग रेंज आउटपुट आया, बट आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा है मेरा आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे. क्यों? बिकॉज here I have make use of a float. That's why. क्योंकि float का मैंने क्या बताया था starting में? Float is supportive for the 32 bits. Double is supportive for the 64 bits. Getting it? So if I'm getting the fractional numbers with the long range, then I'll be making use of a double one. Okay, and one more thing, as I'm getting a lot of errors few minutes back. Why? Because here what I'll be doing it first, initially I'll be declaring the variables with the help of the data type. So ये मेरा double data type है. Okay, and then I'll be initializing the variables, that is a is equal to so and so, b is equal to so and so, and then I'll be performing the arithmetic operations, which is addition, subtraction. If you want to perform it, yes, you can perform the subtraction also. So once again, I'll be making use of a system.out.println. Okay, and if you want the division also, yes, you can perform the division also over here. Clear with this, girls? Any doubt in this program?
No doubt.
Okay. What about Mrunmay? Do you are you doing the practically simultaneously, or you
Yes,
just
ma'am.
simply you are observing it on the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are also
I'm
doing the
doing
practical.
it.
अभी ये क्यों error आ रहा है? Because this example I have shown you. Actually, this should be shown on the another screen, but what it is happening, it's simply I'm switching from one screen to another screen, so your link get cracked. So that's why I'm showing you on the one screen only. Okay, so yeah, so I got the output over here. Okay, and then I get a one because the number is greater. I have taken it. I'll show you once again if you want it. So I'll take it 222. A is a bigger number, and then I'll be compiling it. Yeah, got it. But subtraction and sum is same thing. Don't you think so? Subtraction and sum is the same thing because system.out.ln or system.out. This is in the concatenating format. So what you need to do it every time whenever I'll be making use, I need to change it because my multiplication product is getting stored in the D variable. Same way, my subtractions result is also storing it in the D. So what it is happening it I'm reusing the same variable again and again. So at this situation or at this point the compiler is getting ambiguous, it is getting confused. So that's why I'll be using the system.out.println on the different line. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so just to take a screenshot of this, but before that I'll just first organize the proper statements together and then take a screenshot so that you can do it later on to your home also on the screen. And one more thing, whenever you'll be doing it or writing it in the practical exam, the program should be with the proper indentation format. Indentation मतलब क्या होता है girls? Yes.
Don't know, ma'am.
इंडेंटेशन मतलब से ये बॉडी स्टार्टेड बॉडी क्लोज. सेम नोट्स में भी ऐसे ही लिखना, नोटबुक में बॉडी स्टार्टेड. नहीं तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है, कुछ बच्चा अभी यहाँ पर मेरा बॉडी स्टार्ट हुआ तो ये यहाँ पर क्लोज होता है. सो एक प्रॉपर लाइन में आना चाहिए विच वी कॉल इट एज अ प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट फॉर्मेट. So that alignment should be maintained or a proper hierarchy should be maintained in the technical world, in the coding language. So that should be also very specific with this. Okay, so that means a presentation also matters over here. Clear? So you can take a screenshot of that. Yeah, I got the different answer now. See, the values are getting varied. I'll just show you the program. Yeah, just take a screenshot first. One more thing, if you want to do the division also, one more line is getting added over here. Okay, क्या होगा division में बताओ changes? Where we'll be adding the values, where we'll be displaying the code. Say.
Ma'am, what are you trying to say?
I'm saying that if I want to do more updation in this program, like I want to perform it for the division also, मुझे division के लिए भी perform करना है ना? Yes or no? So क्या changes करने पड़ेंगे मुझे इसमें, या फिर what I'll be adding it in this program, or do I need to do any elimination over here? Is it so or not? Yes, say.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again? I forgot.
Who is this?
Shaira.
शायरा, ध्यान नहीं है लगता है. जस्ट इम्प्रूव योर लिसनिंग पावर बेटा. मैंने पूछा कि अभी इसमें प्रोग्राम में मुझे डिवीजन करना है ना. अभी आई हैव शोन यू ऑन द स्क्रीन सम एडिशन के लिए बताया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड द सबट्रैक्शन. Now I want to perform with the division too in this program only. So what updations are needed over here?
For which like
डिविजन के लिए.
variable के लिए.
हाँ वेरिएबल अभी, हाँ
Division.
इट्स अप टू यू कौन सा वेरिएबल लेना है, तुम ले सकते हो. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन यू. सी ले लो, डी ले लो, या फिर इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट सम एक्स्ट्रा आल्सो वेरिएबल यू कैन not an issue. See, there's no any limitation for the variable, girls. As you can take it as much as variables of the declaration in the programming, whether it may be a C language, C++, Java, Python, anything. So there's no any limitation. You can take a n variables in the class. Okay, so just write down in your notes also for your knowledge purpose. That's you can take it as much as variable. There's no any limitation. Yeah, but there is one limitation for the variable declaration is there. Declaration means what? That is the length of the variable. अभी ये मेरे variable का length कितना है? सिर्फ hardly 1 है ना? Suppose if I'm taking it here as a Delhi, तो ये चलेगा मेरा variable का नाम?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
क्यों नहीं चलेगा?
Ma'am,
Big.
हाँ बेटा बोलो, क्यों नहीं
I'm
चलेगा?
not able to hear you properly.
मृण्मयी क्यों आवाज नहीं आ रही है? शायरा को तो मेरी आवाज आ रही है perfectly बेटा. Everything is perfect here.
She has a lot of network issues at her place actually.
Oh, so you can do one thing. I'll be sending you tonight the recording because yesterday my college recording was uploaded. No? So net khatam ho gaya tha mera. So tonight I'll be sending you the recording. So after the completing of the session also, or after the day one day or 2 day, you can see that sessions recording, and then if you have any issue, you can contact me then. Okay, but still try to do it that just sit in that place where the network is there. ओके थोड़ा विंडो के बाजू में वगैरह जाके बैठो. यस बोलो बेटा. दिल्ली क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल है? क्यों नहीं ले सकते? सी आई हैव मेकन द चेंजेस आल्सो इन द प्रोग्राम इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली.
Never tried that. So compile it and let's see what happens.
Okay, yeah, well, let's see whether it's compiling it or not. Yes, absolutely, there will be no error. So girls, keep it in mind that it's you can take your own name also. If I take it here as a Shaira, right? Delhi Shaira. Yes, that is also valid. Only the thing is that whenever I'll be making use of a variable, I'm not be gonna using any sort of a notation exclude underscore जो अभी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो तुम. तो ये जो सिर्फ अंडरस्कोर है ना, यही मेरे वेरिएबल डिक्लेरेशन के वक्त चलता है. और एल्स अगर मैंने सपोज यहाँ पर अभी क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज कर दिया, नहीं चलेगा. प्लस यूज किया, नॉट वैलिड, ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, exclamation. So this all these symbols are unsupported. Getting it? So only the underscore is used to eliminate the blank space. So there is a limitation for the variable which is nothing but a 255. Just make a note of this in your notes. So girls, 255 तो मेरा होना ही नहीं है. अभी कितना हुआ? 255 मतलब ये कितना हुआ? 1 2 3 4 5 6. फिर ये 7 भी आया, 8 9 10 11 12. सो अभी ये मेरे वेरिएबल का लेंथ कितना हुआ? 12 हो गया. समझ में आया? सो ऐसे 255 तक ले सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी आई हैव शोड यू और आई हैव सेड यू. ओके, बट वी डोंट टेक इट, वी टेक इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल 10 12 15, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट. जैसे साउथ इंडियंस के नाम भी कैसे होते हैं? बड़े होते हैं, फर्स्ट नेम, मिडिल नेम, लास्ट नेम. सो वहां पर अंडरस्कोर डाल के हम लोग एक कनेक्टिंग एक वेरिएबल भी ले सकते हैं ना. सो दैट इज आल्सो गोइंग अराउंड 40 45 अल्फाबेट्स तक होता है, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट. मैक्स टू मैक्स 50 तक. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? सो फॉर दैट पर्पस इसका एक लिमिटेशन फिक्स किया, दैट इज द लिमिटेशन इज 255. गेटिंग इट? So you can take it any name, any variable in your program, excluding the numbers and the notation. So अगर तुम लोग सोचोगे कि यहाँ पर C के जगह पे 1C लिया चलेगा, no, it won't be access. But C1 लिया चलेगा, yes, वो चलेगा. तो मतलब my variable always starts with the alphabet. So, and alpha numeric भी चलेगा. But it should not be a numeric or a numeric alpha. समझा? See, अभी तो मैं बहुत slowly explain कर रही हूँ. I'm giving you all this knowledge so that you won't be doing the mistakes in the further programs. Getting it? और यही जो program है ना, so in this program only we have done the 4 different operations. Division का तुम लोग को खुद से करके दिखाना है. I have not shown you the division one. Getting it? I think you
Yes.
can do that division one, or you want me to do it? If you want, tell me. I'll do it for you. Not an issue. Yeah, I forgot to do the clear the screen. Yeah, see, some multiplication subtraction आया. Even though I have making use of a Delhi word. Getting it?
Hmm.
Yeah. So there's no any fixed variable कि मतलब अगर मुझे हाँ या L M N O P Q R या A B C यही terms मुझे use करना it's not at all necessary girls. You can take your own name also as a variable. ठीक है? डिवीजन के लिए किया क्या तुम लोग दोनों ने भी? बताओ फटाफट.
Ma'am, Delhi is equal to A
A/B.
slash B.
या बस उतना ही आएगा चेंज.
Then division is equal to
या
quotation में and then plus
एग्जैक्टली.
Delhi.
करेक्ट. अगर यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन इज इक्वल टू रखा तो भी यस यू विल बी गेटिंग द आउटपुट बट इट्स यूजर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू राइट डाउन द सेंसिबल डेटा एज आई हैव स्पेसिफाइड यू अर्लियर आल्सो. बट अभी ये दिल्ली दिल्ली ले रहे हैं. या स्टिल इट विल वर्क नॉट एन इशू. But if you want, you can change the variable name also. If the student gets sometimes what we say confusion, just I'll clear it. Yeah, see, I got the output. See it properly. The result is also the same. Only the thing is, yeah, see division के लिए इतना supportive किया ना 3.37 क्यों support किया girls? See counted कितना है ये? 3 4 5 6 9 12 15 16 digits है. ये 16 digits क्यों सपोर्ट किया? बिकॉज ये कहाँ पर रिजल्ट आया? दिल्ली से आया. और दिल्ली किधर डिक्लेरेशन किया? यहाँ पर. और दिल्ली का डेटा टाइप क्या है? डबल है. गॉट इट द पॉइंट? बट इफ आई एम मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अ फ्लोट ओवर हियर एंड नाउ सी द चेंजेस व्हाट हैपेंस. या बट अभी यहाँ पर वापस गड़बड़ ये हो गया कि फ्लोट के लिए इतना सपोर्टिव नहीं करेगा. सो फ्लोट के लिए lesser number we require it like that. So did you got the difference that float अगर use कर रहे हैं तो your numbers are getting minimal. अभी error क्या है? So that is C incompatibility types है. So incompatibility types मतलब क्या? That conversion from double to float. So that is getting vary over here. So which should not be happen in this case. So for the safer side, what we are doing it, I'm making use of a double, which is the very extreme level. That means my compiler will be saving to the user for getting the correct output on the output screen. See, abhi values change kiye the na? So I got the different output. 85 and 5.7 and this one. So ये long range number क्यों आ रहा है girls? Because of only and only a double data type. अगर float use करते हैं तो I will be getting the very minimal answer. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can take a screenshot of this. Now this is the final program.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
बोलो बेटा.
Hello.
बोलो बेटा.
No, ma'am. वो that screen went off. So that's why. Hello.
हाँ. Done?
What happened?
कुछ नहीं बेटा, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए बोला ना आपको.
Ma'am, that after screenshot voice does not come now. That's why
हाँ, I
was
was
just
quiet.
checking.
मैं शांत थी तो
Okay.
आवाज कैसे आएगी? I have given you the time to think it as well as to execute all the operations in your system.
I execute.
Okay, very good. So now we'll be moving it to the another program. That is, one more thing is there. Now I'll show you one change over here. Okay, so you have taken the screenshot. So
Actually, one of my programs in which there is this accept kind of stuff like biodata accept. So at the start, it's like enter the name, roll number, and class division, and then it gives all the student details. But when I'm doing enter the division, there is like nothing to accept it. Like
okay,
some
तो वहां पर
problem
क्या
there.
करना है पता है? Throw IO exception करके टाइप करना है. So that means if you have any error related to the input output, no, so that is handling it. That keyword is handling it, which is known as a throw IO exception. I'll show you that thing, which is in the next lecture. I guess tomorrow's session I'll show you. क्योंकि we'll move it step by step. But still do one thing. उसके immediately एक photo निकाल के भेज दो मुझे WhatsApp पे.
I'll share you the output and input both.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so till that I'll just write it the another program, which is related to the data type, character, and the Boolean one. Okay, so here I'll be dealing it with the I'll change the topic related to different data types. Okay, I hope you are able to see it on the comment section.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll write it over here. For I have generated one class which is known as a calculate. Then I have declared the main function. Function started. Your class is not yet closed. I have closed it here. Just maintain the proper hierarchy. Indentation. Okay, उसको indentation कहते हैं. This one, indentation. लिख के रखो. So these are the terms जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं normal English language में alignment कहते हैं हम लोग इसको. Okay, so in the technically we call it as a indentation. See, computer language भी तो आना चाहिए ना बोलना अगर computer सीख रहे हैं तो. Yeah, so now I'm making use of the data type which is known as the character, that is the char data type is there. Okay, and I've initialized it, the variable name as a ch. You can take it anything over here like a, m, b, c, d, and so on. But as character ke liye ch, it's more able to understanding. That's why I'm making use of a ch variable over here. So ch क्या है? मेरे वेरिएबल का नाम है. char क्या है? मेरा डेटा टाइप है. जैसे int ch लिखा मतलब क्या हुआ कि ch के अंदर क्या स्टोर होगा? Only the integer value will store. ये ch के अंदर क्या स्टोर होगा? Only the characters are going to support it. Okay, understood the difference, girls?
Yes.
Okay, now one more thing. जो भी हम लोग string में लिखते हैं, so that is written in the double quotes. Yes or no? But in this scenario, I'll be making use of a only single quote. So just keep it in mind that whenever I'll be writing it any words over here, that should be written it in the single word. Sorry, single quote, not it in the double quotes. So if I'm writing it in the double quotes, that means it is known as a string. If I'm writing it in the single quote, that means it is known as a character. Okay, which is supportive for the character. And then semicolon.
Ma'am, I've sent that thing on.
Okay, I'll check it just a sec. I'll complete this one and then I'll come to that point. All right.
Having string, char, and int in the program. I don't know at which point I have done mistakes.
Okay, don't worry, I'm there to resolve your problems. So over here,
Ma'am,
character. Ha, beta.
ma'am, my spelling is wrong.
Very good. Let me check.
I.
See, आप
Double
बताते
E,
बताते
it's
समझ.
not double. It's not double E, it's I.
Where? In which line?
On my I.
अच्छा, you are talking it about the name. ठीक है ना बेटा,
Yes.
it's
Yes.
whatever it may be. I'm just showing you the example. Okay, so system.out.println character ch. Huh. It's showing the error. Unclosed character literal. Yeah, I got it. Why does not support it? I'll show you now. Did you understand what I have done the changes? Yeah, see, I got the output as a character as M. Can anyone tell me?
Don't know.
Think it just gives some stress to your brain. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ. आउटपुट तो देखो अभी समझ में आया. Carrot is equal to M. Okay? Char लिखा है मैंने इसके लिए. If I write it the
Except
character.
one variable.
Yeah, very good. It's not a one variable, it's a one length is there. So suppose if I'm writing it Mrunmay over here or any random data. So the my length is getting increased, no? So for that length purpose, I need to specify the array. So which should be supportive for this. Getting it? So see, obviously it will be throwing me the error. This is not a proper program. Unclosed character literal. क्योंकि ये जो है this is a invalid character. ये support नहीं करेगा यहाँ पर. Because whenever I'll be using an array, so for loop should be used. So ये ऐसे program हम लोग execute नहीं करते. So this is the illegal way of using it. Getting it? So that's why it is showing me the error. So ये जो m के लिए जो था वो क्या है कि that is this length should be specified over here. अभी same thing if I'm making use over here, still it will be throwing me the error. Why? Because I have used see converted to square bracket. So what do you mean by the square bracket? So this is nothing but my array, and whichever that content I'll be writing it over here. So I have written this 77. So this is nothing but the magnitude of the array, or I can also call it as the index of the array. तो इसको हम लोग इंडेक्स या फिर मैग्नीट्यूड बोलते हैं एरे का. तो ये जीरो से काउंट होता है, तो मतलब यहाँ पर 77 अल्फाबेट्स तक वो सपोर्ट करेगा. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? तो उसके लिए हम लोग ये लेंथ स्पेसिफाई करते हैं. But in this case it is invalid. Why? Because if I'm using an array, so there is a next rule that whenever I'll be making use of an array, the for loop should be used. So I'll just showing you the introductory part. So now this is the perfect program, it will be executing it. So that means what I have done it, I have declared the one variable which is known as a ch with the character data type and ch is being initialized with the m या फिर s लेते हैं. ओके, एंड फिर वो अभी क्या कर रहा है, मुझे प्रिंट करना है. सो प्रिंट करने के लिए ch के अंदर स्टोर था. So that's why here I have written the plus ch and then compiled it, and now just execute the file. So you will be getting the output as a S1. Got it? Yeah, this is the previous one. So just to take a screenshot of this thing, that this is the use of a character data type. Just a sec, different data type की जगह पे character लिखती हूँ, then take a screenshot, or else just type it in your screen. Done? हो गया क्या बेटा? हाँ या
Ma'am,
ना?
did you say anything?
I said that done or not. Screenshot लिया क्या? Shall I
Malia.
do?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll do the editing. Now I'm taking the variable as a data type as a Boolean. So girls, what do you mean by Boolean? Yes? Boolean मतलब क्या?
Ma'am, याद नहीं है.
Okay, ठीक है. याद नहीं है तो फटाफट बोलो यार. We are having a very less time because in the less time we want to study the multiple things. ये तो सिर्फ introductory part हो रहा है. Input types का. Okay, so see boolean मतलब क्या है? तो ये boolean जो है, this is also nothing but my another data type is there which is going to specify only the true and false condition. So जैसे अभी int क्या करता है? Integer store करता है, बराबर है? Float क्या करता है? Fractional numbers को support करता है. Double क्या करता है? वो भी fractional numbers को, but with a long
बड़े
range को.
fractional.
Correct, very good. Character क्या करता है?
Characters को support
सिर्फ
करता
अल्फाबेट्स को सपोर्ट करता है, नॉट टू द न्यूमेरिक वन. ओके, सेम वे अभी ये बूलियन क्या करता है? तो बूलियन जो है वो कंडीशंस को सपोर्ट करता है कि वेदर द कंडीशन इज ट्रू और फॉल्स, जो कि ये ज्यादातर यूज नहीं होता है प्रोग्रामिंग में. इट्स हैविंग अ वेरी वेरी मिनिमल यूसेज ऑफ दिस data type. Okay, but as this is there in our syllabus, obviously we need to read it. So here I have taken one class, and inside the main function I have declared the variable as a x, that too with a boolean data type. So that means boolean करके ये data type है. See जो भी red color का दिख रहा है ना, so that is being stored in the library. हमारे BlueJ के library में ये stored है. Getting the point? So that's why it is being coming it with the different colors. नाउ x करके स्टोर किया डेटा टाइप, तो x को मैंने अभी ट्रू डिक्लेयर किया है, सो x को ही मुझे स्पेसिफाई करना है. सो नाउ आई विल कंपाइल इट एंड या एरर क्यों है? बिकॉज ये कोड्स आई फॉरगॉट टू क्लोज इट. एंड नाउ आई विल जस्ट change it in void main, and now see I got the output as it is true. I'll show you once again. Yeah, see I got the output as it is a true. Getting it? So that this condition is being thrown from the data type. If I'm making use of a false, and then I'll compile it once again, and then I'll show you. See the result I came it as a false. Got it? So these are the different scenarios of the data
Yes.
types. That is the character, boolean, integer, float, long, double, and all. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Any
ma'am.
doubt till here?
No.
Okay. Do you are having a time, girls? More half an hour. मतलब 2 घंटे का तो lecture लेते करीबन.
Okay.
You're having the time, no? Okay. So what we'll do it, I'll start with the proper programming now. So I'll generate one class. Before that, Just let me check in your notes. Just see the textbook programs also. That is to the documentation string, multiple line comment and the single line comment. वो तीनों program में कुछ doubt है तो पूछो बेटा. Till the page number 96, 97 half tak.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Till that I'll just drink a water and I'll be back. Yeah, any error till the page number 96?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just start something. Okay. Fine. So I'll move to the another one. Now come to the page number 97, girls. See, as you are saying it, that display the sum and average of the three numbers. Did you understand with that concept? वो program में कुछ doubt है? Same thing which we have done it right now. Only the thing is that we have not done with the average one, with that too with the three numbers. You want me to do that, or you'll do that program as assignment?
Ma'am, I have to say something. There is some part which is not there from the textbook for our exam.
Okay, then batao which one? This
Input streamer reader. That.
Okay, वो तो simple है यार. क्यों skip कर दिया? Just wait, I'll write it down. कहाँ पर है? Page number?
100. पूरा input का जो examples are, they are also not there, and everything is not there.
Page number 100.
From scanner class is only there.
Process to input, but I'll be gonna taking that up. अभी
Okay.
फिलहाल तो नहीं लेती हूँ मैं, because we are having a less time, no, till your semester pattern. उसके बाद I'll
Yes.
continue with all the, I'll cover all the topics. See, if you see it properly ना page number 100 पे देखो ना, नीचे दिया हुआ है public static void main string args through IO exception. Getting it? So if you write it that in your program ना, तो अभी आपको error आ रहा है ना, तो वहां पर लिखोगे ना through IO exception. So what it will be happening it that any sort of a small errors are there, so that programming statements which will be making the syntaxes correctly and which will be eliminating it from the program.
Ma'am, your voice is coming low.
Okay, one sec. अभी आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ मैम.
Yeah. So अगर प्रोग्राम में वो चेंजेस करोगे ना थ्रू IO एक्सेप्शन करके, so it will help you. So string args के आगे या फिर void main के आगे through IO exception लिखो, तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? It will be eliminating the small errors which is related to the input as well as to the output, जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग में है. Okay, जो आपने मुझे सेंड किया है ना, व्हाट्सएप किया है फाइल. So in that thing. क्लियर? टिल पेज नंबर कहाँ तक? 101 तक एलिमिनेट है ना, या उसके भी आगे?
101 तक नहीं, उसके भी आगे. स्कैनर क्लास के ऊपर का सब कुछ कट है।
अच्छा, पेज नंबर
स्कैनर
105।
क्लास से वापस शुरू होता है। हाँ,
तो स्कैनर क्लास से चालू हो रहा है,
वापस चालू हो रहा है।
105 तक एलिमिनेट है। ओके, फाइन, ओके। इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक ही स्किप कर दिया है यार, ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एज वेल एज इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है। दिस शुड बी अवेयर टू द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाई दे हैव एलिमिनेटेड इट।
मैम वी हैव नो आइडिया, हमारी स्कूल हर वक्त सब कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट कट कर
जो
देती है।
इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वही कट करती है हम लोग की स्कूल एवरी टाइम।
बट एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट मतलब ना, ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी भी है। मतलब मैम को समझाने के लिए ये आता है ना, ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं है ना कि मैम को ये आता नहीं इसके लिए ये स्किप किया है, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट पार्ट है।
पता नहीं।
इनपुट स्ट्रीम रीडर, बफर रीडर, थोड़ा समझने के लिए डिफिकल्ट है। बट वंस इफ द स्टूडेंट इज एबल टू कैप्चर ऑल दिस थिंग, देन मक्खन है, सब आगे सब फटाफट हो जाता है प्रोग्रामिंग। Okay, so do you want me to do that sum and average of the program? That is of the 3 digits one. Once again, back to the page number 99. Because that is there in your syllabus, no? Even the area and perimeter of a right angle. Okay, so we'll start with that. So yeah, see, page number 97 पे देखो, input by using a function arguments are there. So function argument मतलब क्या होता है? So girls just observe it कि नीचे दिया हुआ है ना, public static void main के आगे bracket में क्या दिया है? int a, b and c is given, right? So whichever these variables are there, this is nothing but which we call it as a argument. Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just generate the class and I'll show you. Okay, so over here, with the help of the function arguments, we'll be generating the once again different scenarios. So just created with the public class average. I think I have taken average now. Average. Okay, now body started, body closed. Now inside this, once again, start typing with me, girls. Public static void main.
Give us a minute, let me.
Yeah. So see, as I have declared these 3 variables, so these are the variables which we use to declare it inside the main function. Yes or no? This thing. ये हम लोग variables के अंदर declare करते थे ना, जो shaded portion है. So जो variables के अंदर declare करते हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि normal variables. Okay. But if I'm declaring these variables under the brackets, which will be known it as a, any guesses?
Don't know.
Okay, so this will be known as a formal variables. और अगर यही same variables अगर हम लोग अंदर declare करते हैं, that too in my main function, I'm declaring it. Yeah, so this one I'm declaring it. So this will be known as a actual variables. Okay. और ये अगर ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर डिक्लेयर किया तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं फॉर्मल वेरिएबल्स। इसी को ही हम लोग बोलते हैं दैट इज आई एम पासिंग द फॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और द नॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स। दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू रिमेंबर इसके अंदर लिखते थे ना हम लोग स्ट्रिंग आर्ग्स एंड द ब्रैकेट यूज्ड टू बी एम्प्टी। यस और नो? So that string args is nothing but this args only, which is nothing but the arguments, जिसको हम लोग normal language में we call it as a parameters. Just make a note of this. Clear? Clear till here, both of them? Any doubt? See, I'm going in a very slow speed now. अभी तो
No
doubt
doubt.
आना भी नहीं चाहिए because you might be able to grab all the things very easily.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll be just vanishing these parameters from here because I'm just explaining you the concept. Yeah, so I have passed the arguments. So how many arguments are here, girls? 3 arguments are here.
Three.
That is the A, B, and C. So that too is the formal one. So here the body started, body closed, and inside this, I'll be just initializing my variables. So initializing मतलब क्या? अभी इसको declaration कहते हैं. But initializing मतलब equal to if I'm writing it any value over here, so that will be known as a initialization of the variable. And if I'm declaring it with the data type, then it will be known as a declaration of a variable. Cool. Now I'm moving it to the another variable declaration with the initialization point. So be float hai to 0.0 semicolon, and then I'll be making use of a sum, which I'm taking the result with of 3 combination numbers, semicolon, and now AVG is equal to, I'll be taking the sum divided by 3. Yeah, so everyone is done with this. Till here, everyone understood what we have done it, that we have declared the
Yes.
sim as a variable with the value 0. Average, I have declared it with the value as a 0.0. Then I have taken the sum is equal to a plus b plus c. And then average is sum forward by 3. Okay, clear till here? Formulas में किसी को कुछ गड़बड़ है, मतलब कुछ डाउट है जो नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं.
See, अभी यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट बुक में
Understood.
3.0 दिया हुआ है, so it doesn't make any difference if you don't write it 0.0 also ना, it doesn't matter. But ये तुम्हारे लेवल पे it has been showed that yes, वो अभी float दिया है, so it's need to write down that 0.0. So now our standard format for system.out, मतलब system से मुझे output मिलने वाला है, that's why I'm writing it system.out.println brackets open, sum is equal to, अब रिजल्ट किसके अंदर है? एक सम के अंदर है और एक एवरेज के अंदर. So to concatenate it with that, I'll be making use of a plus symbol, semicolon, copy it and once again paste it on the screen, and the other is for the average. I think error आएगा. Yes, error आ गया. क्या error? Yeah, possibly loosey conversion from double to float. I don't think should be written over here. चलेगा नहीं लिखा तो भी. Yeah, see. Average is equal to 0.0 लिखो या फिर don't write it anything, null value. It's one and the same thing, yes or no? So I have removed it. And now here you will be specifying 3 different values which you wanted. So I'll write it 22 and then I'll write it 33 and the one more, I'll take it as a 4. All right, so okay. So these are the predefined numbers. So I got the sum as a 59, average is 59. So answer is wrong. Q. So we'll check it once again. 59 तो नहीं आना चाहिए. So did I done mistake? Yes. क्या mistake किया? क्योंकि दोनों जगह पे sum लिखा है. समझा? तो ये ऐसे mistakes होते रहते हैं. So just keep your presence of a mind and then once again execute the program. Now put the value as a 10. I'm now changing the values. I'm taking 21 and here I'm taking it the value as a 109. It's up to you. You can take it 1, 2, 3 also. Doesn't matter. I'm taking the bigger numbers, so that's why I'm getting the sum as a 143 and the average of this is 46.0. Observe it carefully. It's nothing but a 46 only, no? But why it has came? Because here I have specified the float. That's why. If I'm making use of an int, do you want to see it? how the changes is being happen, you'll be getting the result as well. Yes, see it. 145 पहले वाला देखो result और second वाला देखो. Understood, girls?
Yes.
Yeah. So what has
Yes,
been,
ma'am.
what happened with the previous program and this program? Can anyone can tell me? Yes. What the changes is being happen with the previous and the current program? Let me also check, no, that how much you would have you have understood it. बोलो.
मैम 1 मिनट दो, मेरा यहाँ पर कंपाइल नहीं हो रहा है.
क्या हुआ? स्क्रीन ये बताओ. व्हाट्सएप भेजो. फोटो सेंड करो. इसका नहीं
मैम
आया,
वो
मृण्मयी का.
दूसरे नहीं मैम, वो
कह रहा.
दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में थी ना मैं, तो वहाँ पर ज्यादा स्पेस नहीं थी, आई गेस कुछ तो ऐसा
नो
हुआ.
नो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. स्पेस ने एंड ऑल, इट शुड बी एग्जीक्यूटेड यार. It doesn't matter about the space over here in this scenario. Just WhatsApp me the photo. I'll check it. मतलब simultaneously हो जाएगा ना सबका. मृण्मयी आपका आया बेटा?
Ma'am, I'm still doing it on the last step. Just
बहुत स्लो टाइप कर रहे हो रे तुम लोग.
नहीं मैम, मेरा हो गया था पर
क्या हुआ फिर? Okay, can you tell me while seeing it on the screen that what is the difference between the previous program and this program?
प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम मतलब से
पहले
पहले
वाले
क्या
जो अभी
था?
तक प्रोग्राम्स किए, जो 4-5 ऑपरेशंस वी हैव परफॉर्म्ड है, लाइक वहां पर भी एवरेज किया, सॉरी एडिशन किया, सब्ट्रैक्शन किया, डिवीजन एंड द एवरेजेस देयर. एवरेज मींस नॉर्मल सिंगल ऑपरेशन भी कर सकते थे हम लोग. एंड ओवर हियर इन दिस प्रोग्राम, सो क्या डिफरेंस क्या है? यहाँ पर भी तो हम लोग ने एडिशन किया, बट दैट विद 3 डिजिट्स. वहां पर 2 डिजिट्स किया. तो व्हाट इट इज गेटिंग वैरी इन बोथ द प्रोग्राम्स? नहीं आता है तो नहीं बोल दो यार. डोंट बी क्वाइट.
मैम वो दिमाग दूसरी जगह पर है तो कैसे लगे.
So that's what I said it while seeing it on the screen. मतलब मेरे स्क्रीन पे देख के बताओ. प्रोग्राम ये तो समझ में आया ना? So just focus over here for
हाँ
few seconds. क्या डिफरेंस क्या है? क्या ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म हुए? सिर्फ प्रोग्राम समझने से अच्छा प्रोग्राम का इंटरनली वर्किंग कैसे हो रहा है एंड हाउ इट इज गेटिंग डिफर विद ईच एंड एवरी प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम. सो अगर वो अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी आ गई ना तुम लोग में, आराम से तुम लोग फ्यूचर प्रोग्रामर बन सकते हो यार. फ्यूचर क्या, अभी से ही प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रामर्स ही बन सकते हैं. क्या
मैम अभी हो गया कंपाइल.
ओके, क्या एरर था?
क्या पता मैम, वाह होता ही नहीं है. दूसरे दो दो जो दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट है वहाँ पर होता ही नहीं है, तीसरे प्रोजेक्ट में ही होता है सिर्फ नए वाले.
So every time whenever you are taking the new program, just generate the new project, no? या फिर एक ही प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर मल्टीपल क्लासेस बनाओ ना, जैसे मैं बना रही हूँ.
हाँ मैम, आई एम डूइंग द सेम थिंग, पर लाइक दो वाले प्रोग्राम्स में नहीं चलता है वैसा, और ज्यादा डाला हुआ. फिर प्रोग्राम फोर्थ जो तीसरा प्रोजेक्ट मैंने बनाया उसमें ही होता है, इसलिए और ज्यादा ऐड करने को न्यू क्लासेस
क्या
कंपाइल होते हैं.
एरर क्या दे रहा था वो?
वो कंपाइल करते रहता है, लाइक कंपाइल होता ही नहीं है वहाँ पर.
कौन सा ओएस आप यूज कर रहे हो? लैपटॉप में कौन सा ओएस है?
मतलब
ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कौन सा यूज कर रहे हो?
ये क्या विंडोज.
हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू. विंडोज ही यूज करोगे बेटा, लिनक्स या फिर उबुंटू वगैरह यूज नहीं करोगे, या फिर मैक ओएस का तो यूज नहीं करने वाले हो. विंडोज में भी कौन सा वर्जन? दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज आस्किंग. दैट विंडोज 7 है,
विंडोज
विंडोज.
10.
हाँ तो आना चाहिए यार, 10 यूज कर रहे हो तो. ओके अभी तो एरर
मैम
नहीं आ रहा है ना?
मुझे भी सेम थिंग हो रहा था मुझे।
आउटपुट आया ना बट अभी?
हाँ
ओके व्हाट अबाउट मृण्मयी, आपको आउटपुट आया बेटा?
मैम अभी मैं ही बोली।
अच्छा तो शायरा आपको आया आउटपुट? दोनों की आवाज
हाँ
सेम ही लग रही है। ओके सो दोनों ने भी मुझे डिफरेंस बताया नहीं है, सो आई टेल यू that when I'm using the first previous programs over there, straight away I used to get the my pointer is throwing me on the output screen, getting it? But in this case my pointer is throwing me on a screen which from where the compiler is asking to the user to enter the values, getting it, which you are seeing it on the screen. That is the method call करके. So ये मेथड कॉल मतलब इसलिए दिया हुआ है कि ये जो तुम लोग है ना ये मेन दिस विन, तो इसको हम लोग मेथड बोलते हैं. सो मेन फंक्शन, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन इन योर नोट्स दैट अनदर नेम फॉर द फंक्शन इज मेथड. जैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मेथोडोलॉजीज एंड ऑल मेथड्स केमिस्ट्री में होते हैं, वैसा वाला मेथड्स यहाँ पर कंप्यूटर्स में नहीं है. कीप इट इन माइंड. So the another name for the function is nothing but a method. So in the function or in the method, I have declared three different variables, that too with the same data type as the integer as a argumental one. That's why this is showing me the screen. That is a method call. And that this value when I'm entering the 33, so this 33 value is invoking and getting entered into the A. फिर यहाँ से मेरा पॉइंटर जो है वो ए ये यहाँ पर स्टोर होता है, एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट इज बीइंग थ्रोड इनटू द सम, एंड फ्रॉम दिस सिस्टम डॉट आउट जो है ये मेरा आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे थ्रो करता है रिजल्ट. सो इन दिस वे इट इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग द प्रोग्राम. सो दैट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस आई एम गेटिंग. सो अभी ये ओके टाइप करते ही मुझे आउटपुट आया ना? ये सो नो, तो ये आउटपुट क्यों कैसे आया? सो आउटपुट जो है ये 48 है, जो भी एडिशन है सब्ट्रैक्शन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन. सो ये वैल्यू पहले यहाँ पर जाता है आर्ग्यूमेंटल में ब्रैकेट्स. फ्रॉम हियर इट इज मूव्ड इनसाइड दिस वन एंड गेट स्टोर्ड इनटू द सम एंड एवीजी. फिर सम एंड एवीजी को प्रिंट करने के लिए आई हैव कॉन्कैटिनेटेड विद प्लस सिंबल, और जो कि वो कौन थ्रो करता है? आउट करके टर्म जो है which is nothing but the output from the console of the blue jay. तो console मतलब जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं root, और root is nothing but the, here we call it as a system, जो कि technical term है which is stored in the inbuilt blue jay library, and that's why I'm getting the result as this one. Clear?
मैम मेरे स्क्रीन पर है ना, मतलब मैंने अभी बताया ना कि लाइक वो कंपाइल नहीं होता, वो कंपाइलिंग दिखाता है, लाइक अंदर दिखाता है क्लास कंपाइल नो सिंटेक्स एरर्स, एंड फिर वो लाइक सिर्फ कंपाइलिंग डन नीचे आ जाता है.
ऐसे कैसे रहे?
कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते मैं उसका.
दिखा, जस्ट
पता नहीं.
शो मी योर स्क्रीन या फिर जस्ट व्हाट्सएप में कि कैसे मैसेज है.
मैम इधर कंपाइलिंग डन दिखा रहा है लाइक.
One sec. I'll just check it.
और इधर क्लास कंपाइल दिखाता है.
Compile it once again. Show me.
Still showing
हाँ
compiling
नीचे
done
क्या है
in
मैसेज?
class.
नो एरर्स. अभी बाहर जाओ और राइट क्लिक करके अपना वॉइड मेन करो.
नहीं मैम वॉइड मेन नहीं आता ऑप्शन.
अच्छा ऑप्शन में ही वॉइड मेन नहीं आ रहा है. बेटा देखो ना वो जो है ना आपका क्लास, तो उसमें बहुत सारे लाइंस है बेटा. सो दैट मींस देयर इज अ एरर. दैट इज अ एरर.
मैम बट इट्स शोइंग देयर इज नो एरर.
वंस अगेन ओपन दैट. एक काम करो, जो प्रोग्राम है ना उसको कट करो. जो प्रोग्राम है ना कट करो और फिर वापस सिलेक्ट ऑल करके डिलीट करो एंड वापस पेस्ट करो. या अभी जो कंटेंट है ये कट कर दो, कट. हाँ एंड अभी वापस सिलेक्ट ऑल करो. वेट वेट, पहले सिलेक्ट ऑल करो, पेस्ट मत करो. कभी कभी क्या होता है कुछ फुल स्टॉप या एनी स्मॉल थिंग may get remaining in the compile screen. अभी पेस्ट करो और
ऑपरेटर दिखाई दे।
कंपाइल करो. Now compile this program.
हो गया।
आया आउटपुट? यस. कैसे आया? समझा?
हाँ, मैं इतने दिनों से ट्राई कर रही थी। मैंने क्या किया, वो कट कॉपी पेस्ट किया और दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में फिर हुआ। फिर दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट का नंबर मीन्स लाइक वापस होने लगा, इसलिए मैंने तीसरे प्रोजेक्ट में किया। तीसरे प्रोजेक्ट में भी अभी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं,
डार्लिंग तुम
बहुत
तुम्हारा
सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स।
लॉजिक मत लगाओ. सी कंप्यूटर को अपने से ज्यादा पता होता है, राइट? सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड, इट माइट बी लाइक ये जो एडिटर है ना, तो इसमें रहता है सम थिंग्स आर देयर, लाइक जैसे अभी ये देखो, ये कमेंट में है ना. सो दिस इज नॉट एग्जीक्यूटेबल बाय द कंपाइलर, दिस इज फॉर द यूजर रेफरेंस. सो ऐसे ही सॉर्ट ऑफ में कुछ गार्बेज वैल्यू इट रिमेन्स बिहाइंड. सो दैट मेड बी ऐसे कुछ इशू रहेगा. ठीक है.
ओके।
हाँ. एंड आई गेस yesterday you only told me ना कि यहाँ पर जब लाइंस रहते हैं that means there may be it's a errorful program. You only told me, no? And you only forgot it.
हम कंपाइल नहीं किया, ऐसा बोली थी मैं। एरर्स रहते हैं, ऐसा नहीं। एरर्स तो बताते हैं ना वहाँ पर, एरर्स रहते हैं।
Okay, finally हो गया ना? Happy, no?
या
Okay, fine. Yeah, so we'll move to the another program now. Now the next one, simple interest. Yeah. So today's assignment is that you will be performing the simple interest and the area and perimeter of a right angle triangle. These two programs you will be performing it. Okay. सिर्फ एक बार टेक्स्ट बुक में देखना है, then you will be closing your textbooks and then you will be doing it by your own. And if you got stuck up somewhere, just use your brain. Okay, don't open your textbooks and see whether the output is coming or not after the completing of the session. Only immediately जो homework दिया है वो करो फटाफट and WhatsApp करो अपने ग्रुप में.
Okay.
Getting it? मुझे ऐसे नहीं कि लास्ट में मतलब रात को 10-11 बजे आउटपुट जो भी है तुम लोग असाइनमेंट यू आर शोइंग इट. Immediately after completing this session, you will be generating this two program by your own. That is a simple interest and the area and perimeter of right angle triangle. I hope you are remembering with the formulas. But one thing I'll be make sure that see area and perimeter of a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, you will be making use of the formulas. So for making use of the formula, there is one function is there which is known as a square root. So that is mathematical formula है ना ये. So mathematical को support करने के लिए it is being used as a math. Getting it? And sqrt is nothing but this square root. So math dot sqrt and then whichever your formula is there like p square plus b square. So p square करके use कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. So p square is nothing but the p into p is there, no? So that thing you'll be specifying it and then plus and b into b. So I hope this is only the hurdle in your program which you might not be aware with this thing. So this is nothing but a inbuilt function. Once again, I'm repeating it. This is nothing but a inbuilt function. So square root is nothing but a function which we call it as a sqrt. So that too, in which way? That is the math. So that's why I'm making use of a math dot sqrt. Clear? Baki, I don't think kuch error आना चाहिए.
Yes.
And if you got stuck up or if you're not getting the error, if you're getting the error, I'll be there to help you. So
Okay.
don't worry. Okay. So the next program, it's of the write a program to input a 3-digit number, which we'll be doing it in the tomorrow session. Okay. Fine. So till here we have completed it. अभी इसके आगे जो next topic है input by using input stream reader and class. So that is getting eliminated, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So here till here we'll end up with the session. So remaining part will continue in the tomorrow's lecture.